Can you read the question 6?
Yeah. So, um, express z is equal to minus root 3 plus I in the form r cos theta plus I sine theta, where root of pi is less than theta, which is greater than, or root of negative, or sorry, negative pi is less than um theta, which is less than or equal to pi.
Perfect. The angle is between minus pi is minus 180 up to 180. But they use pi because pi, this thing is done in radians, but that's what it means. So minus pi means minus 180 and pi means 180. So what we're saying is that you are starting from this one here. This is where you start. You start with minus, you start with z is equals to, let me put the word start there. That's where you start and that's where you end. So all we're doing, we are changing from the way it looks to another way. So you want to change it from z equals to minus root 3 plus I to that other form. So that's what we want to do to change it. And to make the change, we need to find two things. We need to find R for Romeo.
Yeah.
And we need to find the angle theta. And then we write it in there. That will be it. So to find R was the hypotenuse for the right angle triangle. So you need to draw a diagram first. So if you draw a diagram of the thing, that way you can see the angle clearly. If you don't draw a diagram, you might easily make a mistake. So it's minus root 3. So if you go minus root 3 to the left and 1 up, let's say that's 1 there. So that's minus root 3 to the left. We don't know where minus root 3 would be, but we just mark it roughly. Minus root 3 and 1 up. Let's say you mark it there. So that is what z is. Z is minus square root of 3 plus I. It's 1I actually, but we don't write the 1. So we know this vertical height is 1. This distance is root 3. So the angle we want to find, which is the argument, it is this. The argument is, I want a color which is opposite of green. The argument would be this pink angle that we want. So that will be the argument of Z, the pink angle. But we cannot get the pink angle because without using the triangle. So we use the triangle first to find this angle here. We use the triangle to find this angle theta.
Yeah.
And then after that, we subtract from 180, which is pi, to get the pink angle, the angle of Z. So we use tangent. What is tangent is opposite over adjacent. So the angle is, I'll just go straight for the formula. The angle is inverse tangent of 1 over root 3. Put that in your calculator. Make sure your calculator is in radians. Inverse tangent of 1 over root 3. What would that give you?
Uh,
Try with your calculator.
Inverse tangent of 1/3 1/6 pi.
Perfect, pi/6. Now the straight line is 180 degrees, which is pi. So the argument of z is pi minus that pi/6. Pi minus pi/6. It gives you 5 pi/6. So the angle is 5 pi/6. The argument of z. And then we use Pythagoras to find r. Put r in red there. This red is not very nice on green. Let's see what color is nice on green. Blue. Blue work on green. This size orange. So the r is 1 squared plus square root of 3 squared square root using Pythagoras. Gives you 2. So now we know r and the angle. We can write it out. So z is equals to r is 2 bracket cosine of 5 pi/6 plus I sine of 5 pi/6. So what we've done, we've changed it now to that modulus argument form. So all we're doing is changing it from one form to another.